Here's one of the hardest SAT questions and how to solve it. Rewrite the expression below in the form a plus bi where a and b are real numbers. What is the real part of the expression? So first, since we have imaginary numbers here, let's try to simplify this down further and see what we're looking at. So we have 5 plus 2i over 2 minus I. We'll multiply each side by the conjugate of our denominator, which is going to be 2 plus I on both the top and the bottom. So what we'll end up having is 5 plus 2i times 2 plus I over 2 minus I times 2 plus I. Well, when we conjugate, what we'll do is we'll just factor it out here, and we'll get 10 plus 5i plus 4i plus 2i squared over 4 plus 2i minus 2i minus I squared. So our two i's will cancel out on the bottom here. And what we have to remember here for our I squared is I is going to be equal to the square root of -1. So I squared is just equal to -1 because we'll get rid of the square root. So for this number here, so we have 2, this is just 2 times -1, that's just going to be -2. And for here we have -1, that's going to be a +1. So kind of simplifying this further here, we have 10 plus 9i minus 2 on the top, and 4 plus 1 on the bottom. So what we end up with is 8 plus 9i over 5. So going back to our equation here, we have rewrite the expression below in the form a plus bi. Well, when we're looking at this, what we're really looking at is we're going to have two chunks here. We're going to have the a and then the bi chunk. So for the a chunk, we'll have 8 over 5. And then for the bi chunk, we're going to have 9i over 5. So rewriting that, we have 8 over 5 plus 9i over 5. And the question is, what is the real part of the expression? So that's just the part that doesn't have our imaginary number I. So that's going to be our 8 over 5, giving us the answer of B.